What's up, internet marketers? Ike Paz, and today we're gonna find a hot KDP niche. Plus, we're gonna make a KDP puzzle book, nice and fast. So this is all about hot niches, okay? And what this means for you is less competition, more free traffic, and simple SEO, so you can get those sales and that passive income. Before I continue, I should say, don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel out and to get more guides and tutorials just like this one. And also stay until the very end to get my free KDP create and earn method plus the fast way to find KDP niches. Okay. Now, before I begin, down below, I have the complete free way to do this. Okay. I have a complete method on how to profit with KDP books. This is called the KDP Create and Earn course. Make sure you bookmark this so you can come back to it. Okay. I show you how to find niches for free, how to create puzzle books, how to create cover books, the whole shebang. Okay, and how to upload your book, all that stuff. Okay, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be using BookBalt because it's much faster. Again, if you want information about BookBalt, I have all the information on this video. You can find down below in the description section. Okay, so I'm inside BookBalt. If you have BookBalt, you can follow along. I'm gonna go to the keyword category section, the keywords option. I'm gonna click search, and I'm gonna try to find some nice little niches. So maze. Let's go with kids maze. Kids maze. Okay. Okay. Activity book for kids. 9 to 12 mazes. Okay, this is an age range. Okay, let's see what else we can find here. Kids maze books. Kids maze books 3 to 5. Kids maze books ages 4 to 6. Kids maze books 5 to 7. Let's see what we get here search wise. Let's see how many results come up for this. So if I click on this, we have about 1,000, which is good. Okay, this is a good number. That means not that much competition. But I'm curious. Let's go to 8 to 12. Okay, 8 to 12. Oh, over 6,000. Wow, that's a lot of kids. I mean, a lot of searches. Okay, Kumon mazes for kids, laser maze. Let's find some other really cool kids maze books. How about activity book for kids 9 to 12 mazes? Let's see what this yields. And wow, again, a nice little amount here. Just over 7, almost 800 results for this keyword. I'm gonna stick with this keyword, okay? And I'm gonna create some mazes. So I'm gonna go to Activity Book Mastery, okay? As you can see, I'm already in the maze section. There's a ton of different mazes you can create here. A lot of them you can create automatically. So I'm gonna log in here real quick, and I'm gonna go to mazes. And I have an assortment of mazes. Now, you gotta remember, every time I create a maze with Activity Book Mastery, it's completely unique. This is not like PLR. This is completely unique auto-generated mazes that you can go ahead and sell as printables or KDPs. I'm gonna create 25 of each, okay? Now that's kind of, I have to, put in 25. Let me do one with you right here. 25, click go. And of course, I have access to the solutions plus the mazes. So I'm going to click here and click here. And those are the mazes. Okay, that's a solution. This is the maze. I'm going to download it. Okay. And I'm going to do that for all of these different shapes here. 1 second. I'm going to do that for not only the square maze. I'm going to do that for the circle maze, diamond maze, star maze, double corridor maze, and the quad maze. Okay, so I'll be right back. Now, before I go ahead and create my cover for the book, I like to create a unique first page to distinguish myself and differentiate myself from my competition. And I like to throw in my keyword or pieces of my keyword. Where's my keyword? Right here, activity book for kids within that first page, in the hopes that Amazon will read it, right? Or its algorithm will read it, okay? So something to the effect, there are many activity books for kids. Okay, and I'll put this monster right in here. Now, I don't recommend you have any color in your books because it costs a lot for Amazon to print, which means smaller royalties for you. So I'm going to put in a filter and I'll put in the grayscale like that. And I'm going to make sure I bring this in within the bleed and make sure it looks good. Download as PDF print number 1. Okay, now after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna create my my cover. This is really important. Okay, so I already have a bunch of covers created, and again, I cover how to create covers within my free KDP Create and Earn course. You can get that down below once again. I cover that. It's really not difficult to do. I use nothing but free tools, but I already have it covered that I'm gonna repurpose for this. I already have, you can see I already have it going. I got some monsters. Let me, what's the keyword again that I'm looking for here? Activity book for kids. Okay, that looks pretty good. Nice and simple. Maybe shrink that down a notch. Let me group that together. So it's one element and I can shrink it down. And I want to see if everything looks good. So I'm going to check out, I'm going to bring out my bleed. And again, I have this bleed template. You can get that down below as well. You can find that right here, this little icon. Okay, you can get this exact bleed that I'm using here. Okay, bring that over like this. Kind of a stickler for this. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna bring up activity books just a notch. Boom, like that. I like that. Okay, I'm gonna download, actually, let me color that yellow. What does that look like yellow? Break it up. Yeah, I'm digging that. Okay, I'm gonna keep it as such. Okay, I'm gonna put in activity cover. Cool. And download. The next step is adding, or I should say assembling all the pieces, right? So I have the front page I created and all 150 mazes within the 6 different maze shapes that Activity Book Mastery created, right? I combined them with a free tool called CombinePDF.com. So I combined them and I have my book. So once you're done creating your cover and your interior, you want to go to the KDP Direct Publishing, your dashboard, and click on Paperback. Okay, once you click on Paperback, you're going to add your book title. Really important that your book title and your book cover match, okay? So I'm going to put in here Activity Maze Book for Kids, and in subtitle is another opportunity to add more keyword related phrases that match up with your book and its contents, right? So let's go back to Book Bolt. We have a nice little list here we're going to take advantage of. The best mazes for kids 9 through 12. Actually, over 100 mazes, over 140 mazes. Perfect for kids 9 to 12 years of age. Over 140 mazes, perfect for kids 9 to 12 years of age. Let's see here. That's a good one. Keep your kids engaged with these fun mazes. Okay, there we go. Okay, loaded with a bunch of keywords. Very nice, very easy. Don't forget to put in your author name first and last. Description, believe it or not, up to this point right now, as I'm recording September 2020, September 26th, 2020, Amazon doesn't really, its algorithm doesn't really crawl the description for SEO purposes. So yeah, you should definitely put a description, but don't worry about SEO so much, right? Okay, over 140 unique mazes for kids to help them pass the time at home. These mazes were designed to keep your kids happy and engaged in a mind-boosting activity. Okay, so you're gonna write in you own the copyright, and I'm put in these keywords. So I'm gonna put in this long one here. Okay, you get 7 slots. Okay, now again, I show you how to find niche keywords for free using my little guide here. Make sure you pick this up. Okay, so video number 2 is where I show you how to find niches, just in case you want to do it for free. It takes a little bit more time, but it works. Okay, book mazes for kids, and that's the search value is so low for that. Gravity mazes. Let me see what's a good another good one. Kids maze books. Okay, I like that one. Okay, let me see here. I'll take this one as well. Actually, let's get this one here. Kids maze books ages 8 to 12. Let's put that one in there. Kids maze books kindergarten. Nah, it's not really for kindergartens, I don't think. 9 to 12. This one is relevant. Okay, drop that in there. Let me see what else we got here. Maze ball. I don't know what maze ball. Yes, maze book for kids 8 to 12. This works as well. Maze book for adults. Maze books for kids. Maze book for kids 10 to 12. Drop that in there. Perfect. Okay. Now category, it's large print, by the way. Choose category juvenile nonfiction. Go to there's activity book up there, but I'm looking for games and activities. Boom. Okay, let me see here. Board games, card games, puzzles, and do they have mazes here? Let me see. I'm gonna go to activity books. Boom. Click save. Okay, so you can choose up to 2. Okay, adult content, no. Get your free ISBN number. Publication date, I never bother with this. Keep it black and white. 6:9, no. This is an 8.5 by 11 inch. Bleed always, matted. Upload my interior. Upload my cover. Launch preview. Once I'm done with all this and I give my approval, I want to price my book. So it cost Amazon a little bit over $4 to create this book. I'm gonna price it at $9.99, below the $10 price range, so that it's more like an impulse buy, right? Let me put that $9.99. If I sell a lot of copies quickly, I'm gonna raise the price. Actually, I'm gonna raise. That's pretty low. I'm gonna make this $11.99 and expand to other countries. Yes. Publish your book, and I'm done. Okay. Now again, if you want to pick up activity book, that's down below. If you want to pick up book bolt, that's also down below. And also, if you want to try this for free without paying a dime, check out my course down below. You get this for free. You pay nothing for this. All the tools in here are also free. Okay, you have a great day. Take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ciao.